Hey everyone, hope we're all doing good with this Corona stuff going on. We're still busy working away. I know there's been a few people trying to chase me up and have struggled to find me. I have definitely moved shop. I am at Phatt Audio Concepts and still making cool stuff, still working on cool cars, as you can see. So if you are looking for me, I am at Phatt. Mention the fact that you've seen this video and you will get a 10% discount. Who doesn't want a discount? I know I want a discount. You want a discount. And that's how the cookie crumbles. Come and see us, guys. You want to come and get something done? There's a little bit of a discount there for you, just if you want to get something done. Come see us. We'll sort you something out. And now on with the video. Hey guys, back for another PhattDate, and what's back? We have an F80 BMW back for an amplifier upgrade after his AUDISONs. He's been loving his AUDISONs in there, so time to get a little bit more power behind them and a little bit more tuning ability. So let's have a look what's going in. We've got a Helix SDMI25, which is our MOST fiber adapter, which is basically just going to give us an audio output from the factory MOST system that's in the car, because it does run fiber optics. And as well, our FORZA 8.9-bit AUDISON amp, which is actually an 8-channel amp and a DSP all in one. So this means we're going to have full control over every speaker in the car, time alignment, EQ, crossover settings, all of the above. We're going to have every last adjustment we can to try and get every last bit out of this stereo. So I'll get these things out of the box and we'll have a look at them. All right, so here we go. There's our 8.9-bit FORZA. Quite compact, pretty simple. Everything's pretty well straightforward out of it. Obviously you've got your power input, controller for a DRC, and then your speaker outputs, speaker inputs, and pre-inputs. So whether you're going high level input or low level input, then we've also got a optical input there as well. Now our sub output, so obviously you can then run that out to a separate amplifier. So it's pretty compact. Should fit in there quite nicely. With any luck, I should be able to just modify the factory bracket that's in there and get this thing to mount up pretty easily. And then we have our Helix SDMI25, which is our MOST converter. Now, these things are actually pretty cool. One of the cool things about them is the fact that for BMWs, they actually have a bunch of program settings. So you can see there's a jumper on the side. You can actually go through and adjust all of the warning chimes and gongs and all of that sort of stuff. It's always good if you can adjust your dong. So there's our parts going in. I'll start getting the car apart and doing some wiring. Alrighty, there it is, all done, all finished. Amp in, MOS module in, it's all working, all tuned up. It sounds a hell of a lot better than what it did. So that's always a thumbs up. But thanks for watching again, guys. That's another PhattDate down, and we'll see you soon. See ya. Hey guys, back for another PhattDate, and what do we got? All right, so here's what's going in. We have our Helix HD, no, that's not a HDMI, that's an SDMI.